everyone, and welcome to the channel. Here we are at BIKERS Nottingham, the Old Pidcocks site near Long Eaton. So get yourself down and look at the latest bikes here. Let's go and have a look inside. Here we go. Let's have a look inside. Wow. Everything looks brand new. There are lots and lots of bikes here. Got the Benellis. Wow. Sims. Vogue. So this is the official opening day, 1st of March 2025. The shop looks absolutely superb and it's full of bargains. So get yourself down and come and have a look. Oh yes, yeah. A few Suzukis are here, a couple of Suzukis, one's already sold. Over here, Royal Enfields. Some great Royal Enfields here. The Scram 411, the Interceptors, absolutely wonderful. There's Andrew, he's the sales manager. Here we are, buy yourself a GSX 1000. RS 1200, 11 grand. Loads of accessories. Oxford, empty helmets, HJC, Alpine Star. Great to see the shop opening. I'll put the address up on the screen because they're not registered on Google as of the 1st of March. So I'll put the address up so you can easily find it on Google Maps and things like that. But absolutely wonderful. What do you think? Look at that. Mini EZ. That's a bit weird. What do you think? Is it the future? Not sure. I'm not sure. A couple of Hayabusas over there. Harley-Davidsons. There we go. Africa Twin. Can't go wrong with that. Fireblade. Fancy a Fireblade for 6,300. Here's the Harley-Davidsons. Are these good prices, Larry? I don't know. Here we are. Here's a Triumph Rocket 3. Super Meteor 5,300. Harley-Davidson, look at that. £7,000. What do you think to that? Absolutely gorgeous paint job. Absolutely beautiful. Larry? £6,999, £7,000. That's what, $8,500. Is that a good price for a 2015 7,000 mile Harley-Davidson XL 1200? Is that a good price? Dunno, you tell me. £10,000 for a fat boy, 2003, so that's 22 years old, with only 16,500 miles on it. Look at that, absolutely unbelievable. There we go. Just a general walk around. Couple of Hayabusas. Do you fancy a Hayabusa? £3 miles. That's brand new. £16,000. 2024 with 19 miles, £15,000. That's got to be good.
Yeah, no miles on the clock.
It's great to see a new shop opening. It's great to see a new shop opening. This is the Old Pidcocks site in Long Eaton, Nottinghamshire. And it's a great thing to see everybody having a good time and look round. Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Got a few scooters here. What do you think, eh? Mondial. Look at that. That fairing looks very retro. Mondial bikes here. Wonderful. So get in touch with Andrew. He's the sales manager. Come on down and have a look. Oh yeah. Like I say, it's really good to see the new shop opening. Wow, Italjet. There we are. That's a name from the past. 200. Look at that. Wow. There are loads of bikes, so get yourself down and come and have a look around. Absolutely beautiful. Here we go. All the Royal Enfields, beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go and have a look outside from the front. There's so many people being through today, it's unbelievable. Absolutely magnificent. There's so many local bikers on this beautiful sunny day. Look at all these bikes. There we are, Bikers Nottingham. Hope you enjoyed the video. Ride safely, be kind to everyone, eat healthily, and I shall see you very soon. Hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers, bye bye.